Hello, everybody. You might hear my heater on in the background, but it's cold and I don't want to turn it off. Today, I want to chat with you about feelings. Whatever feelings you have within you are attracting what you want tomorrow. Worry attracts more worry. Anxiety attracts more anxiety. Unhappiness attracts more unhappiness. Dissatisfaction attracts more dissatisfaction. So we don't want those feelings. We want to work on happier, more positive feelings. And on the flip side, joy attracts more joy. Happiness attracts more happiness. Peace attracts more peace. Gratitude, being grateful, attracts more gratitude and more things to be grateful for. Kindness attracts more kindness. Love attracts more love. We want to be loving and kind to other people so that we receive love and kindness into our own lives. Our jobs is an inside job. To change our world on the outside, all we have to do is change the way we feel on the inside. It's pretty easy to do. When something that's counterproductive is popping up, you can make a decision and say, I reject that thought, and replace it with a kind, loving thought or one of your affirmations about finances, weight loss, whatever it is you're working on right at the moment. Just replace it and go on. Don't beat yourself up over it. Don't get upset. Just keep trying. Keep trucking on. You'll get there. We all have a journey that we're on, and we'll all get there if we stay positive and just keep moving on towards our goals. I hope this inspired you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, God bless you, and may today be the best day of your life. Bye for now.